Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Listen, today we're doing spaghetti, but authentic spaghetti, the way my Uncle Lizon used to do it way back. It's a different style of doing it. You're gonna like it, and I think it's gonna be the new way you do it. Anyways, we're doing it next, so stick around. All right, let's get started on this amazing way to make spaghetti. But you can't have spaghetti without garlic bread. So let's do that first. Got a couple tablespoons of butter that I've melted down. I've got about a clove and a half of garlic that I minced. Put a little bit of olive oil in there, about a teaspoon or so, and some parsley, just for color. Anyway, we're gonna mix that up real good. And then we're gonna get a French loaf out, and we'll cut that in half. And once we have that cut in half, we're gonna start to apply our garlic spread. Get both sides nice and even. Then we're gonna top it off with a little Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. And we'll pop that in the oven when it's time. Next, we're gonna take some sun-dried tomato halves, and we're just gonna chop them up into little bite-sized pieces. And then we'll set those aside until we need those. Now I'm gonna use thick spaghetti rather than thin or regular spaghetti, just because I like a little bit more pasta with my pasta. So we got our water in our Dutch oven. We're going to add a generous amount of salt so the pasta has some flavor. And once we get that up to a boil, we'll add our pasta and cook as directed on the box. Do not overcook it. Do not make it soggy, because we're going to cook it a little bit in that frying pan. So cook it directly as it says on the box. So we got our pasta cooking. Let's get our bread going. I've got the oven at 350 degrees. So we'll pop our bread into that little oven there. And about 15, 18 minutes or so, it'll be done. And we'll take it right out and slice it up and have that on the side, ready to go. Perfect garlic bread. Now our pasta is just about done. So we're gonna get out a large stainless steel frying pan. And we're gonna take that pasta straight from the water right into the frying pan. I don't have the heat on just yet, so we're just transferring. And once we get all the pasta transferred to the frying pan, then we're gonna turn the heat up about medium high, and we're gonna add a generous amount of olive oil straight to that pasta. There we go. And then we'll just start to mix on that medium heat. Now we're going to add a little bit of pasta water, about a ladle full. That'll help everything stick good to the pasta. And we'll mix some more. Then we're going to add our sun-dried tomatoes that we cut up earlier. and a little dash of red pepper flake just to add a little heat to it. Optional, of course. And we'll start to mix that up real good. And then we're going to add our pasta sauce. And once we get the pasta sauce in there, we'll mix it up some more. And then it will be time to serve. And you've got delicious spaghetti, authentic way, the way they used to do it back in Italy in the old days. Anyways, enjoy this recipe, give it a shot, and hope to see you on the next one. And have a great day.